When I teach my students, when I give them problems to solve, I have noticed a very common mistake while using the formula for squares in algebra, like a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square or a square plus b square. So I will try to make you understand using geometric pictures so you can remember this for life.
The mistake is writing a square plus b square as a plus b whole square.
Now I am requesting you to watch a previous video of mine if you haven't watched it, where I explained all these formulae for squares using geometric pictures. Because in this video I will be using same format to explain this mistake. Well, now you have watched that video, so here is the explanation.
As my previous video, let's take a square, which is the blue square here, and which has sides of size a plus b. So the horizontal side is a plus b and the vertical side is also a plus b. So the area of this blue square becomes a plus b whole square. Now, as my previous video, I can break each side of this square into two parts, one of size A and one part of size B. So the horizontal and the vertical, both sides can be broken in this form. And now we can divide this big blue square into four parts as previous video. One of them is this red square here, which has sides of size A, and the white square which has sides of size B, and then there are two blue rectangles left. Now a plus b whole square is the sum of areas of all these four parts. But when I say a square plus b square, that means the sum of the areas of the red square and the white square only. The two blue rectangles are not included in this, which were included in the a plus b whole square. So from this picture we can understand that a square plus b square is never equals to a plus b whole square. And if a and b both are positive, then a square plus b square is actually smaller than the a plus b whole square.
So keep these pictures in your mind and don't forget them ever in life. And share this video. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I will meet you in the next video.